Good morning, y'all, ladies and gentlemen. All right, today, let me go look inside and check the calendar. So sometimes I miss. All right, today is the third Saturday, June the 19th, 2021. My bad. Let's go outside. And yesterday was the 18th. Oh, the wind blew the door open. All right, so anyway, Tropical Storm Claudette is almost here. Let's look at the clouds, okay? Uh, so I bet everybody's bracing themselves for this storm, like they braced themselves for Zeta last year, uh, and Laura and Delta. Okay, so let's look at the sky, y'all. We're going the back, but my back door is blocked by towers and stuff. Okay, so y'all look at the sky, as y'all know. Okay, focus camera. Yep. So I don't know how y'all folks in Acadiana is doing, huh? So the clouds up in the sky. Let's look towards downtown, the downtown area. Okay. All right. So anyway, y'all, we bracing ourselves for this storm, though. At least we got plenty to eat in the house. Yep. So we don't know what's gonna happen tonight, because I hope we don't lose power right now. Not just us. My friends and everybody. So anyways, y'all, let's look at the sky once again. Yep, the clouds coming by, and they said the deer in the headlights a little pleased, and the skies are not cloudy all day. Well, it's not cloudy all day. It's gonna be cloudy all day today. You know. So y'all plan to have a birthday party for your child or whatever. Y'all gonna have to cancel it. Unless y'all gonna have the birthday party during this storm. All right. So what else is next? All right, inside I go. All right. Okay. I might as well move all that stuff out the way and go on the back. Well, you sure know because it be flooded right here. Nothing I can do. None those people could do. Let's go on the back. I really wasn't gonna come on the back though. All right. That can is blew open. Should I go close it? Well, I'll go close it later. So I must say, y'all folks should be parked on higher grounds. Gotta move your cars. There's some people still parked on lower grounds, and y'all cars is lower. So let's look at the sky. You know, we looking at the sky from behind my back. You know. So anyway, y'all. I must say that, y'all. Brace yourselves for this storm. I don't think it's gonna be so bad though. I really don't think. You know, I think we'll be all right. It was bad as Hurricane Zeta. Well, it wasn't that bad here in New Orleans. Okay, I don't know about the outside lever protection and stuff like that. So I hope this can don't fall. I hope that can don't fall because I'll be right back later if these cans fall down. You know. All right. So I would say if you're here in Louisiana, excuse me, if you're here, brace yourselves for the storm. Okay. Brace yourselves for this storm. You know, because you never know. Okay. All right. Wherever you at, if you're in the way of it, brace yourselves. You know. I don't know where all this damn debris came from. You know. No, it wasn't windy last night. Yes, it was. It's gonna be some bad weather today. Yeah, I love rainy days. You know, as y'all stare at the sky with me and stuff like that, y'all know. Ain't these flies. Damn. All right. That's all I got to say. Thank y'all for watching. Okay, and stay safe.